Morning. I can't hear you. You are muted.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Hello.
am I audible?
Yes, you are visible and I can hear you very well. Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste.
How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you. And you?
I am also good.
Relaxed after the weekend.
Yes. Kritanjali ma'am. Kritanjali ma'am.
Yes, sir. Namaste.
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 Why are you late?
सवाल हो गया अब.
So everything is fine?
Yes, everything is fine.
Okay. What was our Saturday topic?
We studied about fractures.
Yeah. Fracture, human cell, tissues, and organs. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes,
How many types of fractures?
6.
6.
6, I guess. Let me see.
Maybe 7.
7 or 6. Mm. 7, right?
7. Yes, 7. First one is grain stick.
Yes, sir.
Grain stick. Grain stick fracture. Second is
Impacted fracture.
impacted. And third,
Open fracture.
open fracture. Open fracture are compound. Fourth is
Comminuted fracture.
yeah, comminuted. Fifth one is
Caudal's fracture.
fourth
Yes.
fracture.
Torch, yeah, torch.
And then there is the Cole's fracture.
Yeah. And the last one is stress fracture.
Stress.
How many organs is there in a human body?
70.
78.
Yes,
78 as per normal counting. And if we count every bone, every tooth, then it will become 315.
350.
But bone and tooth counted, each counted only one. 206 bones counted one organ and 32 tooth counted one organ. So there is 78 organs. Our today's topic is Kundalini Shakti and Chakra. You hear about this? Kundalini Shakti and Chakra. Kundalini Shakti is a separate topic and Chakra is separate topic.
I've heard about Kundalini breathing.
Oh,
I heard about chakras.
and not about Kundalini?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I tell you about Kundalini today.
Sorry, the other word Kundalini Shakti.
Kundalini Shakti. Shakti is the power. Power of Kundalini.
Okay.
Okay. In philosophy class, you never heard about Kundalini and chakra?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet.
Okay. So our today topic is first one is Kundalini Shakti importance and function. What is importance and what is function of Kundalini Shakti? Write down Kundalini Shakti. Kundalini. Kundalini. Kundalini Shakti. Shakti. Kundalini Shakti, which is considered the invincible power. The invincible power. INVINCIBLE. Kundalini Shakti is the invincible power. Lies at the base of spine. Lies at the base of spine. Lies at the base of spine means at this point, tailbone point. Lies at the base of spine. It is a Sanskrit word. It is a Sanskrit word. It is a Sanskrit word meaning coiled power. COILED. Coiled power. POWER. Coiled power. And refers to the sleeping serpent. And refers to the sleeping serpent. Means सोया हुआ सांप, सुप्त सांप. And refers to the sleeping serpent which upon awakening, 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 which upon awakening results in self-awareness, and spiritual growth. Results in self-awareness and spiritual growth. Means when Kundalini Shakti awaken, it results as self-awareness and spiritual growth of one human. And it is coiled power, refers to the sleeping serpent. Clear?
Yes.
Look here. This is Mooladhar, the point of lower point of his spine. Here is Kundalini, coiled power, 3.5 rounds. 3.5 rounds coiled power. That is known as Kundalini. And this is Mooladhar Chakra, Swadhisthana Chakra, Manipur chakra, Anahat chakra, Visuddhi chakra, Ajna chakra, that is Agnya chakra, and last one is this one, Sahasrara, but not connected directly through 6 chakra.
Mhm.
And the right side is Idanari, left is Pingala. 1 minute. Okay, I will tell you later about Nadi. First, see Kundalini. There is 3.5 coiled power, that is known as sleeping serpent, also known as Kundalini Shakti, the power of Kundalini. This has the power of serpent Ananta. Who is serpent Ananta?
Patanjali ji, Sheshanag.
Sheshnag. Sheshnag. So the Kundalini have the power of serpent Anant. Note down important. Kundalini Shakti is the feminine power. Kundalini Shakti is the feminine power that lies coiled at the base of spine. That lies coiled at the base of spine. On awakening, it travels up. On awakening, it travels up. It travels up the spine. Travels up the spine to Sahasrar. To Sahasrar. Sahasrara. Sahasrar. The uppermost chakra. It travels upward to unite with Lord Shiva. To unite with Lord Shiva, that is masculine power. Shakti is feminine power and Shiva is masculine power. masculine, masculine power. It is the supreme power. It is the supreme power that guides. It is the supreme power that guides on his or her chosen path. that guides one on his or her chosen path. CHOSEN, chosen path. Means it guides one chosen path when it's awakened.
Can you spell again, please? This power, chosen power.
Chosen power. Chosen path, not chosen power. Chosen path.
Can you spell, please?
CHOSEN. Chosen. It is the supreme power that guides one on his or her chosen path.
Okay.
Now the function of Kundalini Shakti. What is the function? It boosts BOOSTS. It boosts performance of chakras. It boosts performance, PERFORMANCE, performance of chakras and balances them. Second function is it connects with universal consciousness. It connects with universal consciousness. It connects us with universal consciousness. Universal, UNIVERSAL, consciousness, CONSCIOUSNESS, consciousness. It encourages sense of perception. It encourages sense of perception. And promotes psychic abilities. Promotes psychic. PSYCHIC. PSYCHIC, psychic abilities. ABILITIES. Next function is it enhances ENHANCES, enhances spiritual experiences. And improves intelligence. And improves, IMPROVES, improves intelligence, INTELLIGENCE. It improves intelligence. Next function is promotes sense of calm. It promotes sense of calm, CALM. And the next function is boosts cardiovascular and respiratory function. Cardiovascular, CARDIO, cardiovascular, VASCULAR, cardiovascular and respiratory function. RESPIRATORY. respiratory. Kritanjali ma'am,
Yes, sir.
what is cardiovascular?
Sir, heart.
Yeah,
Heart
related to
related.
heart means circulatory system or circulatory system. Boosts cardiovascular and respiratory function. So this was all about Kundalini Shakti importance and its function. Any doubt? It has 3.5 coil and have the power of serpent Ananta when it's awakened.
How do we make it awaken? Matlab.
How do we make it awaken? Through meditation.
Okay.
Meditate on serpent Ananta means Kundalini and awake this. And its position at Mooladhara, the base of spine. After awakening, it moves upward. It moves upward to meet the power of Shiva, that is masculine power. Any other question?
No, sir.
Our next topic is chakra. CHAKRA, chakra. Importance and function with endocrine system. Chakra, importance, introduction and function with endocrine system.
Hello.
Yeah. So what is chakra? The word chakra, write down. The word chakra is an old Sanskrit word the word chakra The word chakra is an old Sanskrit word and can be translated as spinning wheel. Spinning wheel. According to yogic beliefs, YOGIC, yogic beliefs, BELIEFS. The human body has 7 chakras. Human body has 7 chakras, which can be taught, THOUGST, taught of as intersections of different energy channels. Intersections of different energy channels. Magda ma'am,
Yes.
you know what about yogic beliefs?
Not really.
The belief of yogi. Who is yogi?
Yogi is somebody who is a practitioner of yoga, follows the philosophy, follows the style, lifestyle.
Yeah, in simple word, who have stable mind. Who have stable mind, that person known as yogi.
So not me, still not me.
Why?
I'm working on it.
One person who have a stable mind known as yogi. In Sanskrit, he is known as Sthit Pragya. Sthit Pragya. Means one who have stable intellect and stable mind is known as yogi. Next point is the 7 chakra and their meaning. 7 chakra and their meaning. The first one is Mooladhara chakra. First one is Mooladhara chakra. MULADHARA. Mooladhara chakra. 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 In bracket, root chakra. In bracket, root chakra. ROOT. Root chakra. CHAKRA. Means Mooladhara chakra, also known as root chakra. The location of root chakra is at the base of spine. Note down, the root chakra is located at the base of spine and forms the basis of energy system and forms the basis of energy system. It determines instincts, INSTINCTS, instincts like hunger. It determines instincts like hunger, sleep, 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 as well as daily survival instincts, Understood? It determines instincts like hunger and daily survival instincts, hunger, sleep, and other survival instincts also. The Mooladhara chakra is associated with the element of earth. Supporting its grounding characteristics. Its color is red. The Mooladhara chakra color is red. We show with red color to Mooladhara chakra. And it has 4 petals. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The Mooladhara chakra has 4 petals. The chanting mantra for Mooladhara chakra, chanting mantra, mantra for Mooladhara chakra is LAM, LAM, LAM. Kritanjali ma'am,
Yes, sir.
is it visible?
Yes, sir.
LAM. This one is the chanting mantra for Mooladhara. Yoga poses that help balance the first chakra. Yoga poses that help balance the first chakra such as mountain pose, mountain pose, all warrior poses, all warrior poses, WARRIOR, warrior poses, balancing poses, means this poses, mountain pose, warrior poses, and balancing poses. This balance help to balance the Mooladhara chakra. They enable to connect to earth energy. They enable to connect to earth energy through the four corners of feet. Through the four corners of feet, and send that energy upward, and send that energy upward to nourish the entire body, to nourish the entire body. Understood? The mountain pose, warrior poses, balancing poses, these poses are helps to balance the Mooladhara chakra, and they enable to connect to the earth's energy through the four corners of foot. There is four corners in foot now. In asana or alignment studied. The point of big toe, point of pinky toe, point of inner arch of heel, and point of outer arch of heel. Magda ma'am, you know? Never.
First time I know. Now I hear.
There is 4 points for balancing. When we balance warrior poses or any one leg is standing, we balance through this point, not through toe. Don't press your toe. Never press your toe. Always ground this 4 points. You will get more balance. Never press your toes on ground. Press this 4 points. Point of big toe, this one. This point is point of big toe, and this is point of pinky toe. This is point of inner arch of heel, and this is outer arch of heel.
Wow.
Okay. This is a 4 points. These are the 4 points which give us balance in warrior poses and all balancing poses. And through these 4 corners of feet, the energy moves upward to nourish the entire body. Understood? The gonadal gland, gonadal gland, Gonadal, gonadal gland, GLANDS. Gonadal glands are associated with this chakra. Which glands associated with this chakra? Gonadal glands. Our next chakra is स्वाधिष्ठान चक्र, SWADHISTHANA, स्वाधिष्ठान चक्र, CHAKRA, in bracket pelvic chakra, PELVIC, pelvic chakra, CHAKRA. The Swadhisthana chakra, also known as pelvic chakra. So we will read and learn about all other 6 chakra tomorrow. Okay.
Yes. Mhm.
We understood what is Mooladhara chakra. Any doubt in Mooladhara chakra? The color of Mooladhara chakra is red. The color of Mooladhara chakra is red. It has 4 petals. It has 4 petals, and the chanting mantra for Mooladhara chakra is LAM, and the gonadal glands are associated with this Mooladhara chakra.
Yes. Mhm.
What is this gonadal gland? What is the function or purpose?
Function of purpose I will teach when I teach you about the gland.
Okay.
Here we relates with only chakra. What are the glands associated with each chakra? The gonadal glands found below the spine, means at the location of Mooladhara. I will teach about the glands separately.
Okay, sir.
And the yoga poses that helps to balance Mooladhara chakra
Mountain
mountain pose,
balancing
all balancing poses, and all warrior poses.
and all warrior poses. Yes.
Okay.
Mhm. And we should never balance on our toes, only on the 4 balance points.
Yeah, and don't press your toes. Never press your toes for balancing. You can't found balance with pressing toes.
Mhm.
Always press these 4 points.
Mhm.
Many times it considered as 3 points: point of big toe, point of pinky toe, and point of heel. But there is 4 points: point of big toe, point of pinky toe, point of inner arch of heel or inner edge of heel, and point of outer edge of heel.
Mhm. Okay.
So these are the 4 points.
Mhm.
Arch is this, and edge of heel is this.
Yeah.
So actually these 2 points are the inner edge of heel and the outer edge of heel.
Mhm. Yeah.
Any other question?
No.
So thank you for joining this class.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Sit in
sir.
any comfortable position for closing the class. Spine straight. Adopt Jnana Chin Mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 1 time Om, followed by closing mantra. Om. Closing mantra, repeat after me. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve santu niramaya.
Sarve santu niramaya.
Sarve bhadrani paschyantu.
Sarve bhadrani paschyantu.
Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet.
Ma kaschit dukha bhav bhave.
Om.
Om.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm together. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Thank you.
Shanti. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Again, we will meet tomorrow in this session.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.